Hey, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales, coming to you from my shop. Got another Ford Fusion Hybrid that came into us from New Jersey this time. I want to start this one up so you can hear what this one sounds like. This one is very bad. This one's probably grinded into the case, but I'll show you what it sounds like. That is very, very bad. That is some damage going on in there. So we're going to take this apart and I'm going to show you exactly what's making that noise. But we'll get it all fixed up and we'll have this car running back again. Again, this is a service that we offer. We do the full transmission rebuilds. We remove them. You can send us the car. So just get with us. Give me a call. I'll go over pricing with you and everything like that. We also have a page online dedicated to it that will talk about the parts. So check us out online at hybridandelectriccarsales.com or come see us in person at 616 Bradley Court in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. Hope to see you soon.